Welcome back to KAVI'S kitchen. Today I'm making very easy peasy chicken rice. Chicken rice is very famous in Malaysia and I love chicken rice from childhood. But there are times I can make chicken rice from the scratch. So I came up with this shortcut chicken rice which my kids love it. This recipe will be very helpful for those working moms. Try this recipe and I bet your kids gonna love it too. Let's move on to my video. Before that, make sure you like, subscribe and press the bell button.